Springfield Public School CBSE. Let's make and feel the difference.
Look at these plants, they are very strong because their roots go deep into the soil, just like us in our school. By the way, did you hear our annual theme is Roots to Wings?
Roots to Wings. The sound is interesting, but what does it really mean?
Roots are the values, discipline, and knowledge we learn from our parents and teachers.
Yes, our school gives us strong roots that helps us grow with confidence and character.
And wings are the dreams that helps us fly high and achieve success in the future.
With this beautiful theme, we warmly welcome you all to Springfield Public School Annual Day Rallies 2025-26 Roots to Wings.
Strong roots build character. Strong wings build the future. Esteemed Chief Guest Dr. Meenakshi Sundari, Block Medical Officer, Bepantattai. Our guest of honor, Dr. G. Murthy, Associate Professor and Head of the Department, Government Arts College, Bepantattai. Our Honorable Chairman, Dr. V.P. Mani Sir. Respected dignitaries, teachers, dear parents, and my beloved students, I extend my warm greetings to one and all present here today. First of all, I thank Almighty God for His abundant blessings that helped us successfully complete the academic year 2025-26. Our institution is guided by a clear vision to nurture confident, responsible, and compassionate individuals. Our mission is to provide quality education through academic excellence, value-based learning, and holistic development. This year marks a historic milestone for our institution as we proudly received our affiliation from the Central Board of Secondary Education up to secondary level. This accomplishment strengthens our mission to deliver quality education aligned with national standards and holistic student development. With sincere gratitude, I present the annual report for the year 2025-26. Commencement of the academic year. The academic year 2025-26 commenced on 3rd April 2025, bringing renewed enthusiasm and a fresh beginning for students and teachers. Academic planning and curriculum. Academic excellence remained our priority throughout the year through systematic lesson planning, continuous assessment, and focused guidance. We introduced the Password series for kindergarten to strengthen early literacy and numeracy skills. Oxford publications were adopted for grades 1 to 5, ensuring structured and skill-based learning. For grades 6 to 9, the school follows the NCERT curriculum, ensuring a strong conceptual foundation aligned with national standards. Skill development programs. To strengthen students' logical thinking and problem-solving abilities, the school introduced Abacus along with coding and robotics programs. The monthly Word Wizard Champion program was launched to improve vocabulary and language confidence. We are proud that our students speak English confidently from pre-KG onwards.
Little monkey looking sad monkey stop banana into very eleven line and elf CUCDR lantern to bigger banana into very well. Monkey smile, thank you Ella.
And we plan to introduce regular debates and group discussions next year to further develop communication and critical thinking skills. Co-curricular activities. Co-curricular activities played a vital role in promoting balanced development. Regular yoga, silambam, and karate sessions improved students' discipline, focus, and physical fitness. 27 students successfully passed the karate grading test, earning yellow, orange, and green belts. We are proud to share that 28 students scored centum in the Abacus Level 1 test, which was a remarkable achievement. School events. The UKG graduation ceremony held on 4th April 2025 celebrated the completion of foundational learning by our kindergarten students. An anti-drug awareness rally on 27th July 2025 created awareness among students and the community. The student council election was conducted on 16th July 2025 and the investiture ceremony on 16th August 2025 formally entrusted leadership responsibilities to the elected members. In December, the Kindness Tree activity encouraged students to practice empathy and good values. Our students also visited an old age home at Yesanai on 20th December 2025, learning the values of care, respect, and compassion. The second annual Sports Day, held on 24th January 2026, encouraged teamwork, sportsmanship, and physical excellence. The Spark Science Expo 2026, conducted on 28th February 2026, provided students a platform to showcase scientific creativity and innovation. As part of our experiential learning, students of grades 6 to 9 visited a cotton research center in Vepandattai on 4th March 2026, gaining practical knowledge about textile production. Students also visited the book exhibition in Perambalur on 5th March 2026, which helped nurture their reading habits. Achievements. Our students achieved remarkable success at district and state levels. Miss Keertana of grade 9 secured 3rd prize in swimming backstroke at the CM Trophy 2025 Perambalur district. Diyath of grade 4 won 1st prize in the district level Chittiram Pesudadi drawing competition among 2500 participants in Perambalur. Students Aparna, Yuvan, Nawaz of grade 3, Nadilan of grade 4 and Mitra of grade 5 also won prizes, bringing laurels to the school. At the state level karate championship in Chennai, students Mugilan, Vishal, Afrin and Avinash secured 3rd place. Master Prativ of grade 7 also won 3rd place at the state level karate championship in Madurai. In addition, 36 students participated in state level yoga, silambam and karate competitions in Perambalur, winning several certificates and medals. In the Talent Kids drawing competition conducted by Global Event Managers Chennai, Miss Keertana of grade 9 secured district 1st place and our school proudly received the Best School Award for the 2nd consecutive year. National Festivals. The school actively celebrated national festivals and important days to instill patriotism and cultural values. Kamarajar birthday was observed on 15th July 2025 with essay writing and elocution competitions. Independence Day was celebrated on 15th August with flag hoisting, cultural programs and creative competitions. Krishna Jayanti on 18th August 2025 was joyfully celebrated by LKG and UKG students dressed as Krishna and Radha. Onam and Teachers Day were celebrated on 5th September with Rangoli competitions, traditional games and cultural performances. Diwali was celebrated on 17th October 2025 with colorful cultural programs and the distribution of sweets. Children's Day on 14th November included competitions and fun activities, filling the campus with happiness and joy. Christmas celebrations on 22nd December 2025 filled the campus with festive joy and vibrant performances. Children arrived dressed as Santa Claus, spreading happiness and excitement. Pongal was celebrated with traditional cooking and games promoting cultural pride. Republic Day on 26th January 2026 was commemorated with flag hoisting and a special assembly. Kindergarten forms the base of holistic development, and its special events foster confidence, creativity, and joyful learning. This year we introduced Saturday activity programs to foster vocabulary development and effective communication among our students.
Lion and the mouse. Lion was sleeping. The little mouse wake up. The lion caught the mouse. Lion was scratching a net. Mouse came and cut the net with its teeth. Lion was free. Lion and the mouse with their friends. Lion on the mouse. Lion was sleeping. Little mouse wake up. Lion caught the mouse, trapping a net, came and
Rainbow Day was celebrated on 29 June 2025 for kindergarten students, creating a joyful learning experience that helped them identify colors and express creativity through fun-filled activities.
Barbie, let's go party.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Life is plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation. I'm a blonde bimbo girl in the fantasy world. Dress me up, make it tight, I'm your darling.
You're my doll, rock and roll. Feel the glamour and pink. Kiss me here, touch me there, hanky panky.
You can touch, you can play. If you say I'm always yours. I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world.
Alphabet Day was celebrated on 1st November 2025, helping them recognize letters through engaging and interactive activities that made learning joyful.
A for apple, A for ant, ah ah ah, ah ah ah. B for bat, B for ball, b b b, b b b. C for cat and C for cup, k k k, k k k. D for dog, D for dots, d d d, d d d. E for egg and E for elephant, eh eh eh, eh eh eh. F for frog, F for fish, f f f, f f f. G for goat and G for grass, g g g, g g g. H
Tiny Royals Day was celebrated on 21st February 2026, giving our little ones a delightful opportunity to participate in fun activities, showcase their talents, and enjoy a memorable day of learning and play. Teacher development programs. Teacher training sessions were conducted with experts from Password, Oxford, and Infact publications to strengthen classroom practices. Teachers also received abacus and robotics training to enhance teaching quality. Parent and community involvement. Regular parent-teacher meetings were conducted after examinations to discuss student progress and strengthen collaboration between parents and teachers. Infrastructure and facilities. Our school infrastructure has expanded with the addition of a new floor, a science and maths lab, an expanded computer lab, indoor games facilities, and a library with over 4,500 books. Future plans. Looking ahead, we aim to introduce Spell Bee and Olympia training and accent and pronunciation workshops. We also plan to introduce smart classrooms, enhance sports and extracurricular facilities, and organize more experiential learning opportunities. This year has been full of learning, growth, and achievements. With the enriched activities, improved infrastructure, and strong community support, we continue to nurture creative, confident, and well-rounded students.
This year was full of learning and achievements.
Now it's time to celebrate it together. So sit back and enjoy our 4th annual day celebration, Roots to Wings.